Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial going from zero makeup to 100% makeup. I always start by putting some concealer on my under eye area and also around my nose area. This just gets rid of any dark shadows. Something I've been doing differently is I do my eyebrows first before the rest of my makeup. Here I'm using the Permanent Effects eyebrow pencil. I already have my eyebrows microbladed, so I just make them a little bit darker and just fill in any gaps really. I've also been using concealer to clean up my eyebrows and make them look more neat, I guess, and then I go in with a lighter eyebrow mascara just to lighten them just a little bit. Going in with my foundation, I'm using the NARS She Glow foundation. I've rediscovered my love for this foundation, it's just amazing. Using my Tarte Shape Tape, I apply that underneath my eyes, down the centre of my nose, a little bit on the forehead and a little bit on the chin at the areas that I would like to highlight, and this coverage is just amazing. Using this CYO contour stick, I go ahead and contour my nose. I just run it down the side of my nose and then blend it out with a fluffy brush. Going back into contouring, I use the Permanent Effects contouring stick and I apply that down the cheekbones, on the side of my temples, on the jawline and just anywhere that I want to contour really. Finally, I set that all with a MERCIER setting powder. Going in with my new favourite, I absolutely love this palette, it's so good. It's the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I take burnt orange and I apply that all over up to just above my crease for a wash of colour. I bring it down to the lower lash line as well just to make it a little bit more smoky. Then taking sienna, I put it on the outer feet of my eyes just to give the shadow a little bit more depth and a more gradient effect. Then I take Cypress Umber, which is a matte dark brown colour, and I run that along my lower lash line. Finally, using my fingers, I take glistening and I just pat that on the inner corners and also the middle part of my eyes. Using my 24-hour tattoo eyeliner, I map out the wing. I've been doing quite a thick wing recently and I actually really like it. Putting a little bit of highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, this just makes my eyes pop a little bit more. Using my Kiss Me mascara, this is amazing, this mascara, it's completely waterproof. I apply that on my lower lashes and then I go ahead with falsies, and I've had so many questions about what falsies I wear, so I'm going to put that in the information box with all the rest of the products that I'm using. And there we have the eye makeup look done. As you can tell, it's a big difference to the right hand side. Going in with my Benefit HOOLA LITE, I just kind of like bronze up my face and put a little bit more colour where it's needed. And as always, I'm still using my Anastasia Gleam palette, the lightest highlighter colour. Finally, I'm going in with my Spice lip liner from MAC. I've had so many questions about this lip colour. I always get asked what lip colour it is and I've been loving Spice so much. There we have it guys, this is my kind of like go-to Instagram selfie makeup. It's kind of full on glam and I've been loving it. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!